Ever get frustrated with generic responses from ChatGPT? It's a common problem, isn't it? You're looking for a specific tailored response, but all you get is a generic one. There's a solution to this problem, and it's called custom instructions. Custom instructions allow you to define how ChatGPT will respond to you. It's like giving the AI a blueprint of what you need. You can tell ChatGPT about yourself, your preferences, the tone you'd like it to use. Want it to talk like a pirate? Or maybe in rhymes. You got it. Want it to stop apologizing when it gets something wrong? No problem. The possibilities with custom instructions are immense. And the best part, it's available in all versions of ChatGPT, including the free version. You'll find it in the user menu right above settings. It's time to make your interactions with ChatGPT really personalized. So how do you set up these custom instructions? It actually is simpler than it sounds. Let's dive in. Once you have ChatGPT open, go to the user menu. This is where you'll find the option for custom instructions. It's right above settings. Click on that and you'll see two fields pop up. The first field asks, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? And the second one asks, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? These are your golden tickets to personalized interactions. They're like your private conversation with the AI, telling it exactly how you'd like it to behave. And the cool thing is you can put anything you want into these fields, but you only have 3,000 characters split between the two fields, so make them count. Let's start with the first field. This is where you get to introduce yourself. Tell it about your interests, your style of communication, or anything else you think will help understand you better. For example, you could say, I'm a computer programmer who loves sci-fi and prefers brief responses. The second field is where you instruct ChatGPT on how to respond. You can ask it to speak like Shakespeare, format its responses in bullet points, or avoid using certain phrases. Lots of different options. For example, you could say, respond in a formal tone and avoid using slang. But here's the key. Be succinct yet thorough. It's a balancing act. But it's important to getting the most out of interactions. You want to give it enough information to understand you, but not so much that it is overwhelmed. So play around with it. Experiment with different instructions and see what works best for you. Remember, the goal here is to make your interactions with ChatGPT as personalized and enjoyable as possible. I find it's best to put a lot of effort into custom instructions because it pays back many-fold from personalized responses. Let's dive into more of the uses of custom instructions. Imagine you're a writer seeking inspiration for a sci-fi novel. You could ask ChatGPT to respond in the style of a futuristic AI, providing you with unique dialogue and plot ideas. Or maybe you're a teacher looking for innovative ways of communicating and teaching your curriculums. You can set instructions for ChatGPT to respond in a fun educational way, answering questions or explaining concepts in rhyme. Or maybe you're simply someone who loves a laugh, and you can have ChatGPT respond with jokes or humorous anecdotes. You can even use custom instructions to have ChatGPT act as your personal newsreader. The key is to be specific in your instructions to help ChatGPT to give you the most engaging and relevant responses for you. As you see, the possibilities with custom instructions are practically endless. Now you have the power to customize ChatGPT to your needs. You're no longer limited to generic responses. You can create interactions with ChatGPT as personalized as you want. So get creative. Experiment with custom instructions. Make ChatGPT talk the way you want it to. Make it act like a pirate or talk like a professor. And don't forget, sharing is caring. If you found value in this video, please like it. Let's all learn from each other. If you want to see more videos from me, then hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notified when new videos come your way. Until then, happy prompting.